Hi friends, welcome to Navra Kitchen. Today I am preparing Oats Seekh Kebab. We all know that oats are very healthy. Oats individually have a bland taste. By combining oats with the vegetables and spices, we can make this delicious oats kebab. Kids normally don't like to eat the oats. You can introduce oats in their diet by making these kebabs. Let's start the procedure. First, take 2 potatoes, boil the potatoes and smash them. Boil 1 cup of sweet corn and keep ready. Transfer the boiled sweet corn into a blender and blend to fine paste by adding little water. I am taking 1 cup of roasted oats, out of which I am transferring only half cup to a blender and blending to fine powder. Remaining half cup of oats I will be using directly without blending. Now to the smashed potatoes, add 1 grated carrot and blended corn paste. Next add half cup of unblended oats. Then add the blended oats powder. After adding corn paste and oats, mix everything. Next add 1 chopped onion and 2 sliced green chillies. Adjust chillies according to your spiciness. Add about half teaspoon red chili powder, teaspoon coriander powder, teaspoon chaat masala powder and half a teaspoon garam masala powder and salt as per your taste. Also add teaspoon ginger garlic paste and pinch of turmeric powder. Added about a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, that is kasoori methi. After adding all the spices, mix everything properly. At last add few coriander leaves. Take the skewer sticks and soak in water for some time. This is to prevent burning while roasting. Now, grease hands with little oil. Take small amount of the prepared mixture and wrap around the skewer sticks. Repeat the same procedure with the entire mixture. Now take little all-purpose flour in a bowl, add little water and make a paste. Apply this all-purpose flour paste onto the prepared kebabs. Next coat them with the oats. Repeat the same procedure and coat all the kebabs with the oats. Coating with oats and roasting gives nice crunchy taste and texture to the kebabs. Now take little oil in the pan. When oil is heated, place the Seekh kebabs and roast them until they turn crisp and brown. If you don't have square sticks, you can also make them into tikki shape and shallow fry. Oats Seekh kebabs are ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.